Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss types of combustion. Up to last class, we have discussed what are the essential conditions for the combustion. Number one, combustible substance. Second one, the supporter of combustion, and third one, ignition temperature. Now look over here, the types of combustion, and the type of combustion we classify it on the basis of rate of combustion of the combustible substance. So look over here, number one, slow combustion. The combustion which take place through the moderate speed. Moderate speed, like the burning of candle, burning of wood, burning of coal, right? Burning of wood, candle and coal, and also one another and excellent example that is mostly asked in your competitive examination, that is the digestion of food. Digestion of food is which kind of combustion? It is slow combustion. The combustion which takes place through the moderate speed. Now second, rapid combustion. A combustion which takes place in very short span of time. Very short span of time. बहुत थोड़ी सी टाइम में पूरा का पूरा combustion हो जाएगा. In this combustion, the combustion is complete type. Type of combustion complete. It means entire material burn out and a large amount of the heat and light produced in this kind of combustion. And example, burning of LPG in our houses, kitchen, burning of LPG, burning of CNG. Along with these, one another, oxy-hydrogen flame. The oxygen-hydrogen flame is used in the gas welding. Oxygen-hydrogen used in the gas welding, right? So slow combustion, rapid combustion. One another is the spontaneous combustion. Mostly asked question: what is difference between the rapid combustion and spontaneous combustion? So what is spontaneous combustion? Look over here. The type of combustion in which there is no need of ignition. In case of rapid combustion, we need ignite it. Ignite it with the matchbox, with the lighter, whatever it is. But in this kind of combustion, we do not need to ignite it. It directly catch fire. Burning of white phosphorus. How this spontaneous combustion occur? You know well, as the temperature gradually increase and reach the temperature, room temperature, ignition temperature of this substance. For example, about the white phosphorus having burning ignition temperature about 35 degrees Celsius. Yes, ignition temperature for white phosphorus is 35 degrees Celsius. And is the room temperature, and 35 or 40 degree is common temperature during the summer season. So it catch fire automatically. That's why phosphorus is placed into the water. Phosphorus is placed into the water so that it do not catch fire, right? So its temperature cool down. Now you know well, in Russia spray in Syria the white phosphorus, ऊपर से व्हाइट फॉस्फोरस डाल दिया. जितने लोग नीचे थे उन सबकी बॉडी जल गई. इमीडिएटली देयर बर्न आउट. बोन्स भी नहीं मिले उनकी, बोन्स के बोन एश nothing, सब कुछ साफ. So we have learned slow combustion, rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion. Slow combustion, combustion of burning of coal, wood, candle, digestion. Rapid combustion, burning of LPG, CNG, oxygen, oxyhydrogen flame. Rapid combustion याद रहेगा example, burning of white phosphorus. Now look, explosion. Explosion, a type of combustion in which sudden combustion takes place. Sudden and expansion. Explosion. Why there is explosion takes place? Due to expansion of the air. Expansion of the gases. A type of combustion that takes place suddenly with the evolution of the heat, light and gas. Heat, light and sound. Heat, light and sound. It produces a sound. There is sound produced? During an explosion, large amount of the gas evolved. And large amount of the gas evolved, and this large amount of the gas get expansion. Sudden expansion takes place. And sudden expansion of air, sudden expansion of the gas is result into sound. Explosion, sound. Example, firecrackers, you know well. Now, on the basis of amount of burning of the combustible substance. On the basis of amount of burning, there are two kinds of the combustion, complete combustion and incomplete combustion. When there is supporter gas is present in sufficient amount, supporter oxygen, air present in sufficient amount, then the combustion occur completely. And when completely combustion occur, sufficient amount of oxygen or air, and when complete combustion occur, there is no pollution. There is no pollution. Only carbon dioxide is produced, and you know carbon dioxide is not pollutant. Carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere normally, and plants taken this carbon dioxide for the photosynthesis. Plants utilize this carbon dioxide for the photosynthesis. It do not pollute any atmosphere. And it produces the blue flame. Blue flame, burning of LPG, CNG, produce the blue flame. Now look over here, incomplete combustion. When there is no sufficient amount of the air or insufficient oxygen, then in the absence of insufficient oxygen or air, the incomplete combustion takes place, and due to incomplete combustion, it produces the unburnt carbon particles. We will discuss later on in next portion. The incomplete combustion takes place, and incomplete combustion result into unburnt carbon particles, and these unburnt carbon particles produce yellow flame. The incomplete combustion result into yellow flame. Complete combustion result into blue flame. Incomplete combustion result into yellow flame. It also produce smoke, soot, residue you can say, और काला काला धुआं निकलेगा येलो फ्लेम के साथ में काला धुआं, and also produce carbon monoxide. It also produce the carbon monoxide, and you know well carbon monoxide is an pollutant, poisonous gas. If we inhale the carbon monoxide, it results into suffocation. We will discuss this portion in later on. Carbon monoxide is harmful to us. It blocks the supply of oxygen in our body by combining with the hemoglobin.